So I just wrapped up a 24-hour hackathon by myself using Gemini 3 Pro, and I have to say the results are fantastic. This model is amazing. It blew my mind. I built a whole video game in that time. So I want to show it to you. Check this out. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I built with Gemini 3 Pro. This is a kind of Roblox, Minecraft-esque kind of game. So you can go in, customize your character, all that kind of stuff. Give him some red hair. This is the world that I created. I've been working on. You can see lots of shops and buildings and things going on. And then here you have your character. You can move him around, all that kind of stuff. I've got these other players here. These are actually bots. These are AI bots, which I'll talk about in a minute. And yeah, you can go ahead and build roads and all that kind of stuff like you can in all these other games that your kids play. The best thing about this that I've enjoyed doing is bringing in the AI element. So these two characters are controlled by an LLM. So the way it works is I have two characters and they have different personas. So this character here, Bob, his whole persona is about dominating, winning. That's his whole goal. So if I say to him, hey, Bob, what are you up to? His response is probably going to be something like, I'm not telling you, because his whole goal is to win the game. The way it works is it sends a system instruction set, which is you're a character in a game. Here are all the coordinates of everything. This is what exists in the map. Go ahead and win. Whereas this person here, Jane, she's sleeping right now. Her whole mission in life is just to build. She'll add roads and things like that. So her instruction set is don't have to win, just build. So it's been fun integrating the LLM into this game. And as I say, it kind of polls and tells the LLM what's going on in the game. So if I start building things, it will know where things are. It will know, it'll even know like what someone bought, for example. It'll know that I bought a carrot. So it kind of logs all that and it all factors into playing the game. This is all well and good, great fun, right? But here's the thing. What we're experiencing right now is a world being opened up to us, a whole new user experience. Previously, when we interact with a database or some kind of application, we're using static 2D interfaces where you have buttons and you have, drag and drop and that kind of stuff. Everything's very fixed and rigid, right? With this new 3D world that's been opened up to us, the fact that we can create these 3D worlds as a vibe coder, we basically can now open up a whole new way of interacting with applications via this kind of interface. So that has huge applications for things like companies or corporations getting together and having meetings branded to their specific company and their exact use cases. Or it could be in the educational space for kids that have learning difficulties. All that kind of thing. This is what this new 3D interface is opening up to. And I think with that, the possibilities are endless. And that's very exciting for us as product builders. So just wanted to show you that. Wanted to show you what I'm working on. If you have any questions, if you need help with anything, please let me know. Here to help. And yeah, let's build some cool stuff together.